I shall fucking Venmo you $5. I just didn't want to. Fucking idiot.
Fucking Mazda drivers.
I just didn't want to only buy one Mini. You know what I mean?
Got some different things going. That was a good, interesting change of pace. Yeah. So let's go ahead and rate it on the nose. I liked it. Thumbs up. I agree. And the taste? Thumbs up. I really love the front mid palate on this. I was surprised.
He did not even try.
My man. My.
Why would you get in this fucking lane, dude? I'd love if the guy got out of the car and that's just how he talked. It's not like I was speeding.
No.
Understand how much hamsters can drink. Humanity is better off for that. And now we can go to our first commercial break. So stick with us. We're back with some more.
What?
Put through a 2-inch hitch pin or a hitch receiver.
Well, it also looks like shit's bent.
Yes.
So. My brother in Christ, what are you stopping for? You don't have a fucking stop sign. Go.
Fucking.
Jesus fucking Christ. Oh, well, then I went and cut them off. Sorry.
Obviously, they want, every Kentuckian, the traditional people, players in there, but the Georgia bourbon was fantastic, and I'm excited for people to try it. There we go. Oh.
Are you saying I'm not? I knew exactly what my consequences were going to be if he did something.
Well, just in my
but I also knew he wouldn't.
I mean, in my experience, basically, people with formal training on that kind of stuff are.
Let me call you back.
I'm driving home. I might be eating once I get home. If that's the case, I'll give you a call back when I'm done eating.
Okay, that sounds good.
All right.
More than whatever you told me. And, he laughed it off, obviously, and I laughed too. And it made me stop and think about it and say, okay, am I just talking crap here when I actually do this?
Apps. I have single-handedly destroyed the market.
I have spoken to the CEO of depression.
Stare at each other for like a solid 3 seconds, full eye contact, and just go back at it.
Blah, blah, blah.
My kids, I love that name, Tacos. I wish I had a cool name like Tacos instead of Fred sometimes. It's such a cool name. I wonder if he ever eats tacos. Like when you go to eat tacos.
You pulled out after I was already passing. That's on you.
Say,
I know, though. I kind of made a pun like that previously. You're not helping my self-esteem,
Yeah, I'm curious, too, like obviously the Victors and the 00 maybe somewhat similar, but who knows? Yeah, I'm interested, too, like, with different mash bills, like Brown-Forman, has that yeast that makes it, real brown, sugary, sweet already. So
it's weird that they get a red light before they do.
What a good fucking movie.
I know, right? You can reference that in so... You are a dumb cunt. And then you have the fucking roller derby who decided that they're just gonna go. Why don't you fucking go? Stupid motherfucker.
Going to yoga during the day and walking people's dogs or babysitting people's dogs and working at the shop a couple days a week. So still hadn't really fully committed to bourbon. Picking up digs where I could, 2-3 weeks contract.
Fuck up an easy order. They managed to do it.
How so?
I asked for actually pickled onions on one, pickled onions, lime juice, and Tabasco on mine. Mm-hmm. So I don't know if you're into that. And
I swear to God, it's like the dumbest people were the ones who decided to speak. But,
That's how it always works on Facebook groups, though. The ones that don't speak are the ones that are cool, and the ones that speak are the ones that are fucking mongoloids.
honestly, the ones who have to post twice.
Yeah. The title they gave me over there is called Brand Builder.
brand builder, okay.
Which could be anything from, sweeping the floors to leading the VIP experience.
So you take it up.
Before the pit even started, the guy in front of us was like, "Oh yeah, I'm used to these kind of pits. I saw someone die in a Slayer pit."
Yeah, right. They said tomorrow and Sunday they're gonna have 60
Tomorrow
shuttles
Sunday,
going.
60 shuttles, which they said was 7 times as. Good catch, good catch.
It's the fucking RAV4, and they decided they don't know how to brake until the traffic's there.
If you're anything like me, then you can't get enough about bourbon. And that's why I'm a subscriber to Bourbon Plus magazine. Bourbon Plus is a quarterly publication.
A little trolling. He might have been waiting for that spot.
Tiff. You know, as much as Ronnie's
The handicap plate means mental one. I just literally today just talked to Kat for the first time in like 2 years.
C Corps and LLCs. So let's talk about what a B Corp is. And this makes it the largest distiller in the world and the first in Kentucky's bourbon industry to achieve this distinction. And it recognizes companies that are working to build more inclusive and Bronner selected a 5-year-old double-barreled Indiana bourbon for finishing in a toasted barrel, but there's a twist. Instead of a traditional American oak, Buzzard's Roost used a 24-month seasoned oak from Limousin region of France, or Limousin, I don't know how you really say it. It smells like a younger bourbon to me. Like, it doesn't have like over. I smell a little more of the grains. I don't smell.
Yeah, I actually thought 1 and 4 had probably the closest in the smell.
Right, me too.
I don't know. We don't know, they're all blind, but 1 and 4 definitely had the closest when it came to the smell and the scent. You know, the
That's some feedback. Thank you.
sit for
Dear God.
There's kind of a track on it.
And he flats the flounders,
I don't know what our
trapezoidal flissy.
Here, but I would venture to guess that
Did you just say flussy?
Yeah. Flats the flounders, trapezoidal flissy.
Overtime. Well, it's fantastic. It's fantastic, but yeah, I think it's one of these things that has at least
No, SpongeBob.
we've had.
Where he's from, kicking someone's butt means they want to be your friend.
Honestly, it's just it wouldn't happen. You know, bro, they have sort of monkey that.
For that, I'm gonna eat your ass twice as hard.